Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to download Google Chrome in your Windows or computer and what is the best settings that you must set in the settings of your Google Chrome browser. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so the very first thing that you must do is you need to go for Microsoft Edge or at your favorite browser in your Windows, click on it to open. Okay, so the moment you open your browser at the Windows search bar, type google.com/Chrome, then click on next to proceed. Click on enter to proceed. Okay, so the moment you click on enter, you will be redirected to the installation of the Google Chrome browser. Just have to wait until the download option is ready. Okay, so here you can see a blue option here which says download Chrome. Just simply click on it and you will be directed to the downloading process of this application. You just have to wait and then double tap and then install the application. Okay, so once done, the Google Chrome browser will look like this. Okay, so in order to set a perfect settings and the most secured settings here in Google Chrome, just have to click on open. Click on to open. Okay, so once you're here at the Google Chrome browser, just have to go for the upper right side of your screen. It has these three dots. Simply click on that to customize and control Google Chrome. And then scroll down, then find settings. You can see settings which has this gear icon. Click on that. Okay, so once you're here at the settings, go for the left side of it. It has this different options. Here you need to look for on startup. Click on it, which is next to default browser. Okay, so if you want to look like a new tab page like this, if you want to look like your Google Chrome once you open it like this, just have to click on new tab, open the new tab page. But if you want to add a specific page that would be in your home page, then just click on add a new page. And let's say, for example, you want to add Facebook as your home page. Then click on add to add, and in that manner you are able to add your Facebook and your homepage. Okay, and if you want to remove such, just click on removed and it will be also removed. Okay, so once you're done here in this on startup, you need to look for privacy and security. Okay, you can see here next to autofill and passwords, click on it, and it has these two sections, safety check and privacy and security. In this manner, you need to look for security. Okay, once you select it, click on it, and then here under the safe browsing, you need to make sure that standard protection is enabled. Okay, because this will protect against sites, downloads, and extensions that are known to be dangerous. Might as well here and warn you if a password was compromised in the data breach. Just have to make sure that this is turned on because this will notify you if some of users have tried to access your password or account. Okay? And if you want to use a secure DNS to be protected from any malware or spyware which is from any website or any harmful website that you might mistakenly visit in your Google Chrome, then make sure that this is enabled. Okay, so this will protect you from any viruses. Okay, so once you're done of the steps that I have showed you, then you're good to go. Okay, just have to continue browsing and continue enjoying using your Google Chrome browser. Hope this video helps you a lot. If yes, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care everyone.